Hello everyone, today we'll be going further in depth inside of our C++ Basics course. This in turn course will help you with your fundamentals with computer programming and computer science as well. When diving further in depth within the language of C++ and its syntax, it is crucial and vital to know such, given the fact that a lot of computer science languages have been derived from C, which also have been derived from assembly and Fortran and so on and so forth. However, in the course of what we will be focusing on, we are going to be focusing on the fundamentals and the basics for us to be able to build our compounded knowledge so we know exactly what we can do when going into advanced topics such as data structures and then various algorithms as well to be able to help us to apply C++ and computer science principles in programming throughout the future. So, this slide presents over the tools that we will need in order for us to actually download and be able to compile and run our following programs as well. This video is made to let you folks know on exactly what mode of tech we will be using and various IDEs that we would need to do to be able to download. So let's get started on such. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure to feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you are also enjoying this course, also do the same as well, to like and subscribe. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.